Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on notifications for new chapter release in the webcomics app on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the webcomic on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once inside, go to the comic you want updates for. Just tap on its cover. On the comic main page, look for follow or subscribe button, tap it. This tells the app you want updates for this series. Now let's make sure notifications are allowed. Go back to your iPhone home screen and open settings. Scroll down and click on apps. After that, look for webcomic, click on it, tap on notifications and then allow notifications. You can also choose if you want them as banners on the log screen or just as badge. Go back to your webcomic app. On the same comic page, click on chapters, tap on the profile at the top. Some versions have bell icon on the comic page. If you see it, tap it to make sure notifications for new chapter are turned on. And that's it. From now on, whenever a new chapter drops for the comics you followed, you will get a notification on your phone right away. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.